What's up, my YT homies? This is Olivia coming back in with another video, and in this video I am going to show you a few items that I purchased recently. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm not going to tarry you all long with this video. I'm going to go ahead and get into it real quick, fast, and in a hurry. And why am I talking like that with my hands? I don't know. Anyway, let me tell y'all. When it comes to packing, when it comes to shipping and packing, and I'm throwing stuff away while I'm doing a video, right? Okay, that was just bothering me. I had to get rid of it. So anyway, when it comes to shipping and packing, when I tell you all, if you've never, ever in your life ordered anything from Milani, Milani has the shipping and packing on point. So these are the items that I purchased from Milani. They are all in this Ziploc bag. Not only are they in the Ziploc bag, but items within the Ziploc bag are in Ziploc bags. And not only were these in Ziploc bags, but the package itself was bubble wrapped. That's gone because I threw the package away. So anyway, but that's neither here nor there. Let me show you all what I have in this this bag. Yeah, let me show you what I have in this bag. So the first thing I'm going to pull out are items that I did get free. And let me tell y'all, I forgot when I was setting my face to use this setting stuff majig. This setting spray, I should have used this today because I did use Milani on my face. But I did get this free because I had a $35 purchase, I believe it was. So it is the Make It Last setting spray. And I have a, I guess it's a mini. I think it's a mini. It's a baked powder blush. I'm going to assume it's a mini because it's so small. But if I do it like this, yeah, you'll see. It's about the size of an eyeshadow. But it actually is a blush. Really light peach blush. I don't know what I'm going to do with this as far as a blush go. Because I don't think it, I mean, I could be wrong. But I don't think it'll really fit my face. But I'll give it a try. Alright, so the next thing I have is this Milani Conceal and Perfect Foundation, and it is what I have on today. The color that I have is the number 10, and I've been wearing the number 11, but the number 11 actually right now, because of the time of year, is too dark for me. And so I got the number 10 Golden Tan to see how this does. I also ended up ordering another concealer, but this one I ordered in the number 145, and it actually for me is too bright under my eyes, so I will continue to use it like for my forehead or something like that, but I don't want my under eye to be too bright. So that was too bright for my under eye. I also purchased some shadows from them. These are in a Ziploc baggie as well. I only purchased two. These are two single shadow colors. And I saw someone's video, and that's what made me order these. They actually did not have the color that I wanted to get, but I did purchase two other ones. And these are the Bella Eyes Gel Powder Eyeshadow. This color is Bella Mandarin, and they are supposed to be like a gel, but I don't feel... they don't feel like a gel to me, so I don't know. But this one, this is kind of like a tangerine type color, and that's it right there, swatched on my hand. And then the next one is, I haven't even opened it, but it's Bella Pink. It looks Bella Purple to me, but we're going to see once I open it up. Alright, so like I said, it says Bella Pink, but like I said, it looks Bella Purple to me. So, let's see what this swatch is like. Yeah, swatch is kind of like a lavender type color, but it's supposed to be pink, so I'm gonna let them have that a little bit. And the next things I got, and these were in the Ziploc baggie as well, are two Keep It Full, what are these? Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper. I don't need anything to plump my lips. I don't have like super cooler lips, but I don't have really small lips, but I did want to try it just to see how it is. And this color that I do have is Sparkling Pink, and let's see. It does have like a little pink tint to it. Right here. Here it is. And then the next one I have is a natural, it says Natural Luster. I haven't opened this. Let me open this one. Okay, this one is just almost like a clear champagne-y type color. But there it is there. So I think both of these are probably clear with just a light hint of color. And as you can see, I don't have on any lip gloss today. So yeah. Something else I did order recently, and it is actually what I'm wearing today, and it is Stunner Lip Paint by Fenty Beauty. And this is it. I threw the packaging away, so that's okay. And one other thing that I did order is the e.l.f. I didn't order this. I'm sorry. I lied just that quick. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I found this at Walmart, and this was only $8. And it kind of reminds me of that primer I've been seeing people use online, the Tatcha Silk something primer or what have you. That's what this puts me in the mind of. I don't have it, but when I see how they have to get it out of the container, how it is, this puts me in the mind of, and I know that Tatcha is like really expensive. So guess who will not be buying it? Alethea will not be buying it. So that is it for this haul. I will have a get ready with me for this look coming up. Probably I'll have that uploaded on Tuesday, and in that video it will explain why my voice sounds like this. So yeah, your girl has been going through it with allergies and sinus issues. So yeah, with that being said, that is it. That is all I have for this video. I do hope you will comment, rate, subscribe, and share this video across all your social media sites. And until the next time, in between time, you ladies and gentlemen, be safe. And I will do what? See you in the next video. Bye. I think I said thank you. I hope I said thank you. And if I didn't say thank you for checking out another video of mine.